The first time you load the Blue Sky Plan treatment planning software, the obligatory registration form opens in front of you. It is important to complete the form, as I am doing now for regulatory purposes. You can check the option to receive complimentary personal assistance from Blue Sky Bio regarding the Blue Sky Plan treatment planning software. Once you have completed the form, press the Send Request button to open your default email program and to send information to Blue Sky Bio. If your default email program does not open for any reason, press the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the information, open a standard email, address it to plan@blueskybio.com, paste the information inside, and press the Send button. While we try to return the license activation code as quickly as possible, please allow up to 2 business days to receive your activation email. Once you receive the license activation email, please copy and paste the licensing code from the email into the bottom field on the registration form. Once the code has been pasted into the form, press the Register button to activate your software. In addition, you can activate your software by opening the small attachment which you received attached to the email. When the attachment is opened, the software will be activated automatically.